you up in boom boom boom, she boom boom boom. I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, 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 life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you.
So this is my school bag. See this? We have to put this at the door because the cats now can open the door. And because last time they went in the bathroom, took out the toilet paper and spread it all around the house, now we're doing that on the bathroom door so they can't go in there. Anyway, I'm about to leave the house now. Let's go. So now I'm heading to a bar cafe to meet my friend. He's trying to learn English. I haven't seen him for a while, so I want to see how he's getting on. Maybe one of you can help him learn English. He's been trying to learn English for a long time. So my friend, he's not in a school or a club, he just works in a bar cafe. And he's learning English by himself with the help of some friends and stuff, including myself. And yeah, he's been working really, really hard, much harder than I have. He's gonna learn English in no time. I was going to meet York, but now it turns out he's busy. He's finished work and he's gone, so now I've got to do something else. What to do? To work now, so right now I'm going to the shop to buy some vegetables to use in a class and teach these little kids how to buy and sell stuff. Should be fun. Oh, bought lots of stuff. Maybe got carried away, but I'm not late. That's the important thing. Finished class. I got so much stuff left over. Finished work, time to go. Say bye-bye. Just finished work now, it's 8:45. I'm gonna head to another place and get a beer before I go home. So this is York.
Hello.
Now you're in my video. Yes. So today I should meet York, but he was away, he was busy. And now he's here. But no English class.
我应该说什么
I don't know. 你想说什么？
？Hi。
没有。
Hello. How are you? We are long time no see.
Yes, long time no see.
I'm see you. I'm happy.
Oh, okay. Me too. Okay, I met York, very happy, but now I have to run and get the subway. Or I'm gonna have to get a taxi home. It's gonna be expensive. Well, although it was in the evening, I am glad that I met up with York. because that was the point of today, just to meet with York and talk about his English studies and stuff like that. Finally got to meet up and talk about his English studying plan, and yeah, I'll see him on Friday. Hillary's here. Out of the subway on the way home. It's 11:15. I've got to wake up tomorrow. I've got to not wake up tomorrow. I've got to be out of the house tomorrow at 9:30. She's going to 9:30. So you think it's 11:15. I'm not even home yet, and I've got to be out the house, not just awake, out the house by 9:30. How many hours of sleep do you get a night? Because I won't be sleeping until about 1 or 2. And I guess I gotta wake up at 8. It's not good. But this is life, and it's only for a short time, I think.
Your life is very good.
Apparently my life is very good. Yeah, it's very good. Because she's here, right? Is that what you want?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh! Someone was sick in the road. And the air quality here is terrible. We just walked past a guy who was standing on the street corner making the noise of a cat. He's behind us now, you can't really see him, but he was just standing there going meow, meow. I can't do it. I'll do it when I get home. Yeah, like that. But not talking to anybody, just standing there doing that with nobody else. Strange people live here.
No cat.
And no, yeah, and there was no cat. I mean, not that you do that when you talk to your cat, do you? Do you talk to your pets like in pet language? Like you talk to your cat like meow meow? What do you say? Come here. Oh my god. Right guys, I'm back home. Hillary is heating up some food from last night for me. She ate a big dinner, so she doesn't need any food. I need food. I would heat it up myself, but I need to edit the videos, so she's doing it for me today. I'm gonna end it here. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is what day? Thursday. Another early start. Just busy every day. Oh my god. Alright. Good night. Have a good one.